Simplifying rational expressions again. This one, the numerators and denominators both need to be factored before we go on. So I'm just going to factor every one of these trinomials, and then we'll see what happens next. I will confess while I'm writing this, this is my second take at this problem. The first time I missed something that we could do to simplify these, and I got way out into the mud before I realized it. So this time I think I have spotted a way to do it much more simply. I'll point out to you where I went wrong on my first crack, and I'll keep you from making the same mistake. Okay, so we get to here, and what we want now is to get common denominators, which would normally mean this fraction on the right would require an x minus 1 and an x minus 4, the two components from the left fraction, and the left fraction would require these two. But there's something we can do first. We can take advantage of the fact that all of these are factored, and look what happens. We have x minus 1's here, which we can cancel out. In the second fraction, we have x plus 6's, which we can cancel out. And now that's much better. Just rewrite this with the surviving pieces. Now we have x minus 2, x minus 4, minus x plus 4, all right, so dramatically better. Instead of having 4 items in the denominator to worry about, we're down to only 2. So first fraction contains an x minus 4, second fraction needs 1. Second fraction contains an x plus 2, first fraction needs 1. All right, so now our combined fraction, get up here where I have more space, we'll have a common denominator of x minus 4x plus 2. The order of those two things doesn't matter. And in the numerator we get, what happens when we FOIL these? X squared minus 4 minus, and when you multiply those out, you'll get x squared minus 16. Notice it's a difference of squares that's happening here. And distribute the negative through, you get x squared minus 4 minus x squared plus 16 over all the stuff we had originally. X squared minus x squared is 0. Minus 4 plus 16 makes 12 over x minus 4, x plus 2. Much nicer than if we hadn't canceled. Much, much nicer, I assure you.